Show you how to take a screenshot on MacBook. I'm using MacBook with M1 chip. So what you need to do is press Command Shift and 3. With this option, it will take the screenshot for entire screen. To save this one, you can go to the file and click on save. Over here you can give the name, you can choose the directory, and you can also choose the format. There is also option to choose the quality. So let's select download with JPG format and save it. So because already there is a file, so replace. Now you can close it and let's go to the download folder, and in the download you will see the image has been saved. Now let's say if we want to take a portion of a screen, so what you need to do is Command Shift and press 4. So with this, now you can see a cursor and it also shows the position. So like if you change along x-axis, that's the horizontal, it changes number. If you change along the y-axis, that's a vertical axis. Now let's select that we want to take a portion of this car. Okay, so that's how you can save and follow the same step. Click on the file and save. So I don't want to save, so just click delete. And now how to record a screen on the MacBook. So do the same, Command Shift, and now this time press number 5. Since I have selected a small portion, so it shows like this, but let's say capture entire screen. And since I'm already recording video, and that's why you're not able to record it again, but then there will be option to click on recording and you can start to record. I hope through this video you learn something. If you like it, do share and subscribe. Thank you so much.